Mmm. 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 Salutations, chefs. We in the kitchen again. Chow mein is fried noodles. Lo mein is tossed noodles. Today I'll be making lo mein in this fateful wok. Gonna want to hang around and see that. Okay, this is the ingredients for the lo mein. We're gonna start off with the fresh vegetables. We have 2 tablespoons of green bell pepper, 2 tablespoons of white onions, 2 tablespoons of celery. We have 1 stalk of scallions, that's white and green, and we have a whole clove of garlic. All right. We have white pepper, sea salt, olive oil, soy sauce, teriyaki sauce, and pure honey. And then we have 2 cut up boneless and skinless breast meat, and we have about 2 cups of spaghetti noodles. This is the ingredients for the lo mein. Okay, in a medium pot, you want to put 3 cups of water, bring it to a boil, and we're going in with our pasta. I like to break it in half. Add it. Teaspoon of sea salt. About a teaspoon of olive oil, just so it won't stick. Let that cook from 8 to 10 minutes. Add about 1 tablespoon of teriyaki sauce to your chicken, a teaspoon of white pepper, and a teaspoon of sea salt. And you want to mix that in. Okay, we're going to the wok now. In the wok, you want to put in a teaspoon of olive oil, low to medium heat. Add your garlic, peppers, celery, white and green scallions. Move that around a little bit. Ooh, that smells so good. Add white pepper, a teaspoon of white pepper, and a teaspoon of sea salt. Okay, once those vegetables are ready, you want to set those aside. Oh, that smells so good. And once that pasta is ready, you want to strain it. Alright. Run some cold water on it. So it's very important that you remove as much moisture from this pasta as possible. Just because this is going to help with the finished product. So you just take a paper towel and kind of move them around a little bit. And this paper towel is going to help to draw up some of that moisture. Okay, so next, we're going to add a tablespoon of oil. And we're going in with the chicken. Add that chicken, man. It's time to get the chicken in the deal. Who don't like chicken? Okay, I got my heat on maybe a little above medium, just to make sure that it simmers and it cooks evenly. Once that's ready, we're going to remove it and place it into a bowl, and we're going to come back to it later, okay? Next, on the medium heat, we're going to add a tablespoon of oil, and add your noodles. You can add them a little bit at a time, or you can add them all together. So just start moving them around a little bit. This is lo mein, people. Lo mein is tossed noodles. It's not chow mein, so it's not fried noodles. So you don't need a lot of oil, and they don't need to cook for a very long time. So you want to put your vegetables back in. Add your chicken. Love the chicken. Move that around a little bit. If you got a small wok, you can just toss it. Some people work with a large wok, people. I'm working with what I have. Just toss it over. Look at that. Last but not least, we're going in with the ginger. Get you a grater. You just want to put a sprinkle of ginger up there for flavor. Okay, people, it's time to plate. And there you have it. Okay, this is what we got. I made chicken lo mein. Sauteed it. You know, we got garlic, we got peppers, we got celery, we got onions, and we got scallions in here. I got egg rolls, lobster egg roll and shrimp egg roll. You can't go wrong with two different types of egg rolls. Come on, people. We got the oatmeal cookies. Everyone loves the oatmeal cookies. I got lemonade. Homemade lemonade, that is. I got some lemons, just in case I want to squeeze a little bit on my food. And I got me some duck sauce for dipping. Enough with all this yapping, people. Let's get into this food. Alright, so you know I got the chopsticks. You can't eat this type of meal without the chopsticks. Alright, remember you got to set your hands up. Like that. And you can manipulate it like this. 2 fingers and 2 fingers. The first 2 manipulates it. Okay? And that's just so you can grab meat. Like so. Take a look at that. Wait a minute. People, let me tell you something about this lo mein. Not just because I made it, but because it's good. Let's try some of these noodles out. This is delicious right here. I love lo mein. It's like that. Let's try this egg roll. Hear that crunch? Look how it come apart. I think this is the lobster. It sure is. This is the lobster, people. Dip it. You hear that? Wait a minute. Now this is, if you shop at Dollar Tree, this is a Dollar Tree egg roll. Everything in there is not $1, but this egg roll was. The spaghetti was $1. The oatmeal cookies was $1. And I got, the fresh vegetables for someone else, as well as the chicken. But people, we always do simple, easy, and amazing meals right here, and we in the kitchen. As always, people, subscribe to this channel, smash that like button, leave a comment below so we know what you're thinking, and share this video with your friends so they can enjoy some of this good food too.